What do you say?
Hi, Amy.
Look at the camera. Who's sitting next to you?
Valerie.
Look at. Say, hey, Chunky Monkey.
Chunky Monkey.
Hey, Chunky Monkey. Maggie, what do we do to Valerie? Do it to her legs. Go, do, 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 do. Tell Amy it's raining today, right? Yeah, where did you just get back from? Maggie, look at Mommy. Where did you just get back from? Maggie, where did you go? Where did you go? Where? What did you buy? Hey, look here. What did you buy?
M&M's.
M&M's, yeah. Huh. What did you do all day?
Play.
Play with who?
I know.
Hey, who did you play with all day?
You.
Yeah, Mommy and?
Valerie.
Yeah, Valerie, Jean, and Maggie Rose.
Maggie Jean, Valerie Rose.
Oh. All right. Love you.
Yeah.
And she's kicking. Hey!